Dear ladies and gentlemen, let me call now Alexandra Kuhl to come and give her presentation. She is manager at the MANUFUTURE technology platform in Austria, and she has just arrived to Budapest to inform the Hungarian SMEs on the recent activities of their national platform. The focus of her speech is to show that just as many of the MANUFUTURE technology platforms across Europe, similarly, the Austrian platform is offering a positive vision for the SMEs and helps the SMEs to select the specific research and development areas that could lead the enterprises to a sustainable, production-oriented, economic, fruitful future. Alexandra, please come.
So thank you very much, Gesa, and also for the nice introduction. My name is Alexandra Kuhl. I'm member of the Federal Ministry of Transport, Innovation and Technology in Vienna, Department of Industrial Technologies, and since January 2011 I'm responsible for the Austrian technology platform MANUFUTURE-Austria. So I would like to thank also for the kind invitation to have the possibility to present our national research initiative called Smart Production, as well as the national technology platform MANUFUTURE. I will begin with the technology platform. So our starting point are several challenges that are facing also the other European countries, as global competition, shortage of resources, speed of technological change, climate change and demographic change. This is very important for the production side Austria, with 640,000 employees and 29,000 companies. So the starting point for us is our manufacturing technologies with increased flexibility and resource efficiency by high value added products, radical innovation of the production process. So the sectors we address are engine building and plant engineering, precision and control engineering, with 82,000 employees and 2,200 companies that are spending for R&D of about 500 million euros. And we have 7,000 jobs in research and development. So the conclusions for Austria that we took were that thematic research fields in production technologies have to be defined by relevant stakeholders from both sides, industrial and academic partners. The definition of national thematic foci to create scientific capacity with EU relevance in Austria is very important. So we need also more cooperations with international partners and more strategic funding and governance. So what we did was to found the association MANUFUTURE-Austria in November 2010 with the two biggest associations connected to the production industry. This is the Austrian Association of the Machinery and Metalware Industry and the Association of the Austrian Electric and Electronic Industry. And partner of this project is the Federal Ministry of Transport, Innovation and Technology. So the tasks of MANUFUTURE are the establishment of general conditions to encourage innovation and to strengthen the R&D position in Austria, the improvement of technology transfer with a special focus on SME, because in Austria we have about 80–90% small and medium companies. So also very important is the assembling of interdisciplinary research cooperations, the coordination of regional activities and linking up of industrial and academic institutions, the enhancement of cooperations with strategic partners in the surrounding of MANUFUTURE Europe, and the evaluation of national research topics, as well as networking for Austrian stakeholders. So our work program for the year 2011 is a MANUFUTURE Roadshow in Austrian federal states. Then we will organize a conference in autumn 2011, a MANUFUTURE Austria conference. Then what we have to do is the classification and analysis of market studies and relevant studies, as well as technology scouting. And now we are working on the installation of working groups to elaborate an Austrian research roadmap on production technologies. What we do is also the co-design of the National Research Initiative Smart Production and an installation of strategic networks. So the name of the platform is Platform MANUFUTURE-AT. We have several contact persons. Mr. Rankel from the Association of the Metalware and Machinery Industry, as well as Klaus Bernhard for the Association of the Electric and Electronic Industry. And we have Mr. Pogain. He is responsible for the National Research Program Smart Production. So Mr. Pogain was not able to join this meeting, so I have the honor to present also some slides about the National Research Initiative Smart Production. So the Federal Ministry of Transport, Innovation and Technology and the National R&D Strategy of the Austrian government has passed the Council of Ministers with March 2011. So the goal is that the R&D quota in terms of GBT should rise up to 3.76%. The BIMFIT is now concentrating on 6 thematic topics. We don't call them anymore research programs. The topics for the ministry are energy, transport, ICT, production, manufacturing, security and space. And what is new, we do now so-called portfolio or topic management. This means that we use all funding instruments for one topic. And it is more than only a conventional R&D funding because we try to establish endowed professorships, public procurement standards, etc. So the starting point for this strategy process was that we looked about the 3 directions of impact for industry and manufacturing in Austria. So the factor strategy has no potential for Austria because it's too small. But the efficiency strategy has potentials in environment efficiency in manufacturing processes and to increase the increase of productive efficiency, as well as the front-running strategy, where are potentials through manufacturing of high-value added products and with first-class ecological design. So we came to our Vision 2020 and the directions of the impact, so the efficiency strategy and the front-running strategies, and 4 main topics for Austrian research in manufacturing technologies. So we have the adaptive, flexible and performance-oriented manufacturing, we have high-tech manufacturing, resource-efficient manufacturing and bio-based manufacturing by, as just mentioned, using all funding instruments, so single and cooperative projects along the whole innovation chain and networking measures. So the strategic goals of the R&D initiative Smart Productions are strengthen the technological competitiveness of the Austrian manufacturing industry, to build up research competencies in specific strategic fields, and the strengthening of European and international cooperation. Also, we do have some operative goals. They are reduction of manufacturing costs, reduction of development periods, and the improvement of product properties. The main topic fields for Austria's research initiative are high-tech materials and surfaces, performance-oriented and resource-efficient processes, flexible production systems, product miniaturization, sensor actor integration, biorefinery and raw materials, and overall a research topic. In 2011, the call is open for for performance-oriented and resource-efficient processes for flexible production systems and bio-based industry. And 2012, there will be a call on high-tech materials and surfaces, as well as on products and raw materials. So to explain the portfolio management, I would like to show you one example. So 2011, we will have one top-down call for cooperative project. We started this call at 6th of May. At the same time, we will have single firm projects, a bottom-up approach, and studies, feasibility studies. So, and then for 2012, we plan to have summer schools and endowed professorship. And 2012 or 2013, we should be in the situation to maybe to open a new competence center. So, just a few words to the budget and the time schedule. The budget that we have for 2011 are 7 million top-down and 7 million for bottom-up projects. The call to the community is open since 6th of May. And we have a Smart Production Info Day on 1st of June 2011 in Vienna. Top-down we have one call per year, and bottom-up we have an open call. So, thank you very much for your attention. Do you have any questions?